Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Really unbelievable. APC at it again. But again, as it is, they always get caught. Yes, I don't think they cover their track quite well. So no matter how much they try to do it, somebody just picks them out. A Twitter user has not just said it, but he has given evidences beyond reasonable doubt for all to see that these people are not even thorough in the job they do. A Twitter user has accused APC of photoshopping Ebuka's picture for Tinubu's campaign poster. Please take your time. Look at that picture very well. Look at it very well. We are not saying Tinubu cannot dress like that and take picture. But look at the picture closely. You will see that actually it was Photoshop. Who they do this poor job for Tinubu? Did they pay you well? I want to believe so. How come you they do caricature or amateur job? You just dey disgrace Tinubu. E not correct o. If really na so this matter be, e not correct now. Look those pictures. I dey tell you again, abeg, look am well. Make you see for yourself. The guy just pick am out, say, what is Tinubu? And this body do say correct. E dey ask us, say whether I correct so. Say because you don't understand why did they do wetin they do. Look the Photoshop picture. Look am again. The one that they put Tinubu and the vice presidential candidate. Look am again. Look am for yourself. May you give me the results. I better look am again. Still they look am. So when you look at, you will come understand. See the man picture. That's what they do with the man picture. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Reaction as a Twitter user accuses APC of photoshopping Ebuka's picture for Tinubu's campaign poster. Our political campaign continues as political campaigns continues to generate steam across the country. Ahead of 2023 general election, reactions has begun to trail a post made by a Twitter user in which he accused the All Progressive Congress of photoshopping the photos of a popular media personality, Ebuka Ubi, and used same for their campaign posters of his presidential candidate Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. In the post, which has since gone viral, the Twitter user posted Ebuka's photo alongside that of the APC campaign poster, which Tinubu dressed in the exact same cloth, material, and accessories, the same way it is on the media personality. Nigerians have since started asking, is Tinubu afraid of taking pictures? They did this with Donald Duke's pictures. Now it is Ebuka. Why are they doing this? Why? But really, why? Quite irresponsible. And interestingly, the Twitter user also generated a lot of reactions from Nigerians online as many came out to share their thoughts. Why some people argued that it's simply a Photoshop used to organize APC campaign, that there's nothing more to it. Others always blast the photographic design who had not done his job properly, and giving credit to the person who originally had the picture. He said big ups to the Photoshop editor. This a big work. I say you made it one. And person say, but there's still bust time now. For you to bust time, means the person not doing work way. Somebody had now said, but wait, what's stopping this man from walking to his studio or getting a professional camera person to bring them the studio to his own house and take pictures? And I said, I want to ask a question. Is Tinubu a graphic designer? Certainly not. And APC is to be blamed for all this graphic design. First, na Donald Duke, now again another person. What exactly they go on? How can you steal somebody's outfit and everything to take a picture? Is it right? No, Mona, tell me the truth. Is it right? Because you have to look at things very, very well. Please look at things. See, not lie. See, not do sentiments. So that I become a Tinubu, not be Tinubu. You be honest. Make honesty become your watchword. Why then? See, Tinubu not fit take picture for years. Why would Tinubu not fit take picture? Why must they do things anyhow? It's bad enough that there are so many talks going around. So why you go do one like say, Tinubu? Why did they do this kind of thing? Why? Why would they do this kind of poor job? And then they pay the person. No, that's not my point. This person is being paid. The exact same picture, exact same cloth, exact same material, exact same way the cap, the feather, everything. All they quite not good though. Oga, who they do this job for you? The person a very poor job they do. They can't put a PT logo for there, say where they take picture. And why you go steal person on now? They can't steal Ebuka Igbo outfits. Brother Ebuka, they still in outfits. They do it when they do so. You correct? We just need to be, they put yourself for position, say, don't come they insult you, Tinubu. You're supposed to be a person they're supposed to they respect. Now, not the way they do so. The way that they do these things, so they know they do you well. Oh. Those you have paid, they are not doing their job. You should actually fire them. Okay? You should actually fire them because they are not doing well. Every one of them put together, they're not doing well. Starting from, Donald Duke, you are letting things slip and slide, just go under the carpet. But Nigerians are not finding this thing funny, to be quite candid. Because now what you they look through where eyes, and now your neighbor they better pass you. Integrity matters. Integrity matters. You have to do things decently and in order correctly. Don't let anybody spoil your name unless say you not mean bother for that name to be spoiled. Don't give people the chance. You are paying these people so they are representing you. You have a duty to ensure so they are representing you correctly. Anyone who is not doing their job, pay sack them. After all, now your money they pay. See, and I don't go thief Ebuka picture. You said not go know. And you won't even take say that when you want thief, not be go thief where. You don't go take that person picture and you want to say everybody know. Then they do things well. And when everybody know, now you can't go take. It's a shame really to ask me. If you ask me, now shame. You won't take. Why you not take when everybody know? When you see person not to know. And when everybody know. When everybody know, everybody they look the matter like this, is correct. So you they see and for yourself, say things not the way. Things are not way. And Tinubu's camp, honestly, sincerely speaking, they are not doing well. They are not doing well. How can you do this kind of thing? How can you do this kind of thing? People are watching. People are watching. And, I beg you, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. Remember, say yourself, you get voice, so here we speak together. God bless. Have a lovely and a better day. For us, it's bye for now.